Hi foodies, welcome back. We're making some delicious fish tacos today. Let's get into it. So this is really easy, guys. We're going to be making a citrus herb sauce. All right, so we're starting off with some mayo and we'll go in with some lemon and lime juice. After that, we're adding some honey. Now the honey is not because we want it to be sweet. We're just trying to, balance out that tartness. And some garlic paste. You could do finely minced garlic if you prefer. And then some zested lemon, okay? Really nice and bright. And then we are going to be adding parsley and cilantro. If you don't love cilantro, you can just do parsley. But I love cilantro. Then some pepper, of course. Do this to taste. I'll go in with some cumin and some celery seed to taste. Add some chives or some scallions. I'm using scallion, just the green part, and whisk that up. Then go in with some celery salt to taste. Give this a taste to see if it needs some salt or pepper and then refrigerate it. As far as the coleslaw, this is a mixture of purple or red cabbage with white cabbage and some carrot. I did not grate the carrot. The carrot is cut into really thin strips. So you could purchase a coleslaw mix at the store, or you could cut your vegetables yourself. Do what's best for you, but don't grate those carrots. Just do some thin strips. Then what we'll do is we will pour that really nice citrus herb sauce all over. But what I want you to do is leave maybe a couple tablespoons or so, because you might want to drizzle some over the fish in the end. So toss this together and refrigerate it. Sometimes the purple cabbage might bleed into the mixture, so you could toss this last minute if you prefer. If you don't mind, then you can do it now and refrigerate it. Now on to the fish. Use a white fish that you like. I'm using sole because that's what I had in the fridge. Okay, I wasn't about to go buy some fish. I just used what I had. So these are cut into strips and then we'll season it. You can use all-purpose seasoning, fish seasoning. I'll leave all the details in the description below. Leave this in the fridge and then we'll do our coating mixtures. This is some hot sauce. I'm adding some milk. You could use buttermilk if you want to. Then I'll add an egg. Now I usually have seasoned flour put down at home. If you don't have that, then I will leave the details in the description. This is some seasoned flour. So what we'll do is dip the fish in that egg mixture and then in the flour and repeat the process to make it nice and crispy. So dip and then dip in the flour mixture and pat it down. Make sure you press it into the fish and just repeat the process to make it very crispy. If you want a light coating, then you don't need to do the double coating. So once everything is coated, we will either deep fry or shallow fry. Today I'm just shallow frying in a pan, and you want to fry this at medium-high heat because you want to cook it quickly because these are very thin. You don't want to overcook them. Once they're golden brown and firmer and crispier around the edges, then you can take them out of the pan about 4 or 5 minutes, depending on how thick your pieces are. But you will notice that the pan or the oil gets, a little less bubbly and a little more quiet. The fish gets, golden brown. Take a look at that color. All right. So what I do is I just drain it on a wire rack, no paper towels this time. And then you assemble your taco. For the tortilla, you could simply warm it in the oven or in a pan, a non-stick pan on the stove, or you could just use it at room temperature. So now the best part, we're going to put it together. So you could put your coleslaw as the base and then top it with the fish, or you could put them beside each other. It really doesn't matter. Just be generous. Put lots of coleslaw, lots of fish in there. And then what you can do is put some more parsley or cilantro all over, along with some lemon and lime. I don't know about you, but I love to squeeze some fresh citrus juice over my tacos before I take a bite. You could also do it this way, where you drizzle on that leftover citrus herb sauce all over the fish. I love it this way. The fish is crispy and tender inside, and then you have that beautiful, bright, vibrant sauce, and then the crunchy coleslaw. It's perfect. Love it. So this is something that everybody in the family can enjoy. I got 6 tacos out of this. Really delicious, guys. I know you'll enjoy it. So go ahead and get shopping. I know these ingredients are not too hard to find, so it'll be a breeze. Enjoy and let me know how it worked out for you. Take care, guys.